Individuals in unwanted or unhealthy relationships often experience negative physical symptoms, which are anecdotally described as the body rejecting the partner. These signs can be sexual, such as low libido, difficulty with arousal, or erection. Non-sexual physical manifestations are commonly related to stress and anxiety, including chronic anxiety that improves when away from the partner, persistent muscle tension lowered by immunity resulting in frequent illness and stomach issues, headaches, heart palpitations, sleep disturbances, and appetite changes. While these symptoms are genuinely felt, they are not evidence of a scientific body rejection. Instead, they are psychological or somatic responses, warnings from the nervous system that has shifted into survival mode because the individual perceives the relationship environment as unsafe.